Now, can you imagine having the power to transform your physical reality just by harnessing the power of your thoughts? Well, what if you could manifest a vibrant, healthy body, a deeply fulfilling relationship, or the career of your dreams? Well, the truth is, you absolutely can. It's called manifestation, and its secrets lie in the realms of quantum physics. So understanding the principles of quantum physics opens up a whole world of possibilities where your thoughts and your intentions have the potential to shape your external reality. It's a fascinating journey of discovery into the profound connection between consciousness and the universe. Hi, my name is Natalie, and if this is your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now today I'm going to show you how to manifest your dreams by using the power of quantum physics and to create a life that exceeds your wildest dreams. So what is the quantum field? Well, the quantum field is the space where anything is possible. So according to Dr. Joe Dispenza, it is an invisible field of energy and information. Or you could say that it's a field of intelligence or consciousness that exists beyond space and time. Nothing physical or material exists there. It's like beyond anything that you can perceive with your senses. Now, this unified field of energy and information is what governs all of the laws of nature. What's fascinating about this is that our thoughts and our consciousness seem to have an impact on this field. So this means that our intentions influence the quantum field and they shape our reality. It's as if our minds were connected to this web of energy and we can tap into it and manifest changes in our lives. So how do you use quantum physics to manifest your desires? Well, the law of attraction says that we can actually change our reality by shifting our thoughts and our emotions. So according to this idea, if we tweak our electromagnetic field through positive thinking, we can attract new possibilities from the vast quantum field. Now, there are 5 key steps to make manifestations happen. First, you want to get crystal clear on your intentions. So begin by clearly defining your dreams and your aspirations. Really take time to reflect on what you truly desire in your life. Be specific and be detailed in describing your goals, and make sure that you write them down and visualize yourself already living the life that you desire. Now, this clarity of intention will help you to focus all of your energy and create a powerful manifestation blueprint. You also want to cultivate positive beliefs and thoughts. So let go of any kind of limiting beliefs or negative self-talk that might be holding you back. Now replace those negative thoughts with positive, empowering beliefs, ones that support your dreams. Affirmations, visualizations, and gratitude practices are some of my favorite tools for reshaping your mindset and aligning yourself with abundance. But here's the catch. You've got to hold on to that state of elevated emotions for as long as you possibly can. So don't let doubt or negativity creep in. Stay in that positive high vibe space and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Now you want to embrace quantum visualization techniques. So you ready to get your imagination running wild? Look, visualization is the key in the quantum manifestation game. So set aside some time every day to immerse yourself in vivid daydreams of your desired reality. Close your eyes, let your senses come alive, and imagine yourself living your dream life. Feel the excitement and the joy and the fulfillment as if it's happening right now in this moment. This practice strengthens the connection between your thoughts, your emotions, and the quantum field, absolutely supercharging your manifestations. Now you want to align your actions. Now, thoughts and intentions are important, but let's not forget that action is a crucial ingredient in the manifestation recipe. Align your actions with your dreams. Take inspired steps towards your goals and be open to opportunities that come your way. Trust your gut feelings and then follow the signs that the universe sends you. So by taking action that's aligned with your intentions, you create a ripple effect in the quantum field, pushing your manifestations into high gear. And you want to keep your anticipation alive. So keep your anticipation alive by knowing that your desired manifestation is on its way. And it's extremely important that you do this in the manifestation process. 2 powerful ways to achieve this are by practicing gratitude and practicing detachment. Practicing gratitude for what you already have and for the progress that you've made so far. Gratitude strengthens your connection with the quantum field and it opens doors to more abundance. Now, detachment to the outcome releases the need to control every single detail and control the timing of our manifestation. Now, if you often find yourself struggling and feeling weighed down by the fear and of letting go and surrendering, I want to offer you a very powerful solution. Now, this is one of my favorite tools that will help you to embrace your creation power and to break free from any fear and self-doubt. Now, it's called my Manifesting Amplifier Visualization Exercise, and it's designed to raise your vibration and to help you manifest your desires effortlessly. Now, trust me, it's truly remarkable how dedicating just 9 consecutive days to this practice can actually bring about some profound changes in your life. So consider this exercise a special gift from me to you. Incorporate it into your daily manifestation rituals and watch the magic unfold. So the link to download this for free is below, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Enjoy.